Mysterious organism. 100 facts about the human body that will unveil its mysteries and astonish your mind. The human body consists of approximately 37.2 trillion cells. An adult human has around 206 bones. Human blood is composed of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. An adult human has about 650 muscles. The largest muscles in the human body are the gluteal muscles. An adult human heart weighs approximately 250 to 300 grams. The human heart starts beating in the early embryonic stage, around 3 weeks after conception. An adult human takes about 23,000 breaths per day. A person can survive without food for about 3 weeks, but without water, only a few days. Human skin is an organ, and its thickness ranges from 0.5 to 4 millimeters. The surface of human skin harbors around 20 billion bacteria. An adult human sheds about 4 kilograms of skin per year. An adult human has about 100,000 kilometers of capillaries. The human brain consumes about 20% of all the energy derived from food. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons. Neurons in the brain can transmit information at speeds of up to 250 miles per hour. Hair on the human scalp grows at a rate of approximately 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters per day. Human teeth begin to form even before birth and are called milk teeth. An adult human typically has 30 permanent teeth. The human tongue contains around 10,000 taste buds. An adult human takes approximately 20,000 steps per day. The speed of electrical impulses traveling through nerves can reach 100 meters per second. The muscular contraction of the human eyelid is called blinking. The human nose can distinguish around 50,000 different smells. The human stomach produces about 1.8 liters of hydrochloric acid per day for digestion. The human intestine harbors about 100 trillion bacteria. The human heart can generate enough pressure to eject blood up to a distance of about 10 meters. The bone marrow produces about 2 million red blood cells every second. The human eye has approximately 2 billion individual working parts. The human pupil can constrict and dilate depending on the lighting conditions. The human ear consists of 3 parts: the outer, middle, and inner ear. The outer ear helps gather sounds and directs them to the inner ear. The inner ear contains the organ of hearing called the cochlea. The human nose and ears never stop growing throughout life. Human vision is the weakest among other primates. The human finger has about 3,000 fingerprints. An adult human has about 40 billion white blood cells that help fight infections. Human males grow at a rate of approximately 3 to 4 millimeters per month. The strongest muscles in the human body are the gluteal muscles, buttocks, and bones. The human spine consists of 33 vertebrae. Women usually have a faster heart rate than men. The human body produces about 1.7 liters of saliva per day. Skin aging is caused by a decrease in collagen and elastin in the tissues. Human lips do not have melanocytes, so they do not have pigmentation. An adult human has about 230 chromosomes. The human body can lose up to 2.7 liters of fluid per hour during intense physical exertion. Approximately 60% of an adult human's body weight is water. Human digestion takes approximately 24 to 72 hours. The human heart starts beating in the early embryonic stage, approximately 3 weeks after conception. The fastest muscles in the human body are found in their eyes. Bone marrow in human bones produces new blood cells. The human brain does not feel pain because it does not contain nerve endings. The human brain has over 100 trillion synapses. The muscles in the eyes make about 100,000 movements per day. An adult human performs about 250,000 repetitive movements per day. Human eyes can distinguish approximately 10 million shades of color. The human body contains about 50 trillion cells, but only 10% of them are human cells. The human liver is the largest internal organ in the body. The human heart generates an electrical force sufficient to light a bulb. The human body produces about 25 million new cells every second. The human nose can distinguish about 1 trillion different smells. The human body has about 600 skeletal muscles, and about 200 muscles that control organs. The human spine can withstand a weight of up to 900 kilograms. The human brain consumes about 20% of all the oxygen and calories consumed by the body. An adult human blinks approximately 15 to 20 times per minute. The human eye has a resolution of about 576 megapixels. An adult human has about 6 liters of blood in their body. The human kidney filters approximately 180 liters of blood per day. An adult human has about 20 square meters of lung surface area. A human tooth can withstand pressure up to 900 kilograms per square centimeter. The average body temperature of a human is approximately 37 degrees Celsius. Human skin renews itself every 28 days. The human skull consists of 29 different bones. Human eyebrows renew themselves approximately every 64 days. The human stomach can stretch to the size of a watermelon. The human stomach can stretch to the size of a watermelon. An adult human has about 500 lymph nodes. The human heart can contract approximately 100 times per day. The human body produces about 1.5 liters of tears per year. Human skin covers approximately 2 square meters of surface area. About 75% of an adult human's body weight is water. The human nose can perceive odors even after death. Human eyes can perceive up to 10 million different shades of color. The human brain can generate up to 50,000 thoughts per day. The human heart generates an electrical force sufficient to charge a mobile phone. Human skin has approximately 20 million cells per square centimeter. The human heart begins to beat as early as 5 to 6 weeks of embryonic development. The human nose is capable of distinguishing over 1 trillion scents. The human body produces about 11,000 liters of sweat during a lifetime. The human stomach secretes enough hydrochloric acid to dissolve a copper penny. The human body produces about 25 million new skin cells every second. The human heart generates pressure sufficient to propel blood up to a distance of 10 meters. The human body contains about 60 trillion cells. An adult human has approximately 100,000 kilometers of blood vessels. The human brain consumes about 20% of all the energy derived from food. An adult human has about 500 glands in the body. The human brain can generate an electrical impulse approximately 200 times per second. The human heart can complete about 2.5 million cycles in a lifetime. Human nails grow approximately 3 millimeters per month. The human body consists of 7 octillion atoms. These are just some of the many fascinating facts about the human body. I hope you found them interesting.